Marc Chaikin Prediction 2023 Event, Rare New Investment for 2023? Marc Chaikin, a Wall Street legend and pioneer, has warned 8.4 million Americans to get ready for a historic financial reset on January 2, 2023. His must-see new prediction, a historic financial reset in 2023, could cause a run on the banks unlike anything we've seen in our country's history. 30 television networks have already broadcast his warning. It reached many Americans, but few people realize the significant impact it might have on your wealth, specifically if you currently have a lot of money in the bank. Get the full details from Marc Chaikin on Tuesday morning, November 15 at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Marc Chaikin's Prediction 2023 event, what is all about? Marc Chaikin is holding a free special event to make the biggest new prediction of his 50-year career. His advice is to transfer your funds from cash and well-known stocks into something way better. He believes that this is the best way to protect and grow your money during this very difficult time that most people will face in 2023. In short, protecting your money will be the top priority in 2023. If you know where to invest outside of the typical stocks and bonds, along the way you can grow your wealth at unmatched rates. During Prediction 2023 event, Chaikin will talk how you could triple your savings by depositing it into a new vehicle 50 years in the making. It all comes down to a novel method of using Chaikin's power gauge system that he has never revealed before to the public. This innovative approach will help you take advantage of his newly discovered money-making opportunity that will be possible in 2023. Who will be at Chaikin's Prediction 2023 event? Marc Chaikin will be joined by two special guests. Special guest number 1, Greg Diamond, CMT. Greg is the man who predicted the 2022 crash a day before it began, along with the exact week of 2020 crash 3 months in advance. Special guest number 2, Mystery Guest. The mystery guest is a legend of the investment world and could have great impact on your market investments. Marc Chaikin will share the name and ticker of the number 1 little stock to buy now. You will have the chance to make 3 to 5 times your money in the coming reset he predicts for 2023. He'll also name the number 1 popular stock to avoid immediately. How to prepare for Marc Chaikin's Prediction 2023 event. Here are 4 simple steps you can take now to prepare for this event. Sign up for free here. It is easy and completely free to become VIP guest for complimentary reminder. As a VIP, you will receive message alert before the beginning of the event. Reserve your spot today to get free temporary access to the light version of Marc's power gauge system. It shows tomorrow's ratings on Wall Street today. Keep special attention to neutral ratings. You will learn why at the event. Grab this chance. The value of the power gauge is $5,000. Claim your free access to Marc Chaikin's power gauge system now to get the most out of this opportunity. After November 15, you will no longer have access to the power gauge. Please, do not use the power gauge until you read Marc Chaikin report on how it works. Download Marc Chaikin's report 3 stocks to plug into the power gauge right now. In this report you will find the 3 stocks he advises you to run into the system right away. In this free research you'll learn about a stock that belongs to a company you've probably never heard of before, name and ticker included. Marc predicts Wall Street will soon rate it as a buy. As a result, if you buy now, before the banks start investing potentially tens of millions of dollars, you might ride the stock up 100% or more in the upcoming days and weeks. Watch a 3-part video series on the private Prediction 2023 website. Video number 1, Why Marc Predicts a Reset of the U.S. Financial System in 2023. Video number 2, How the Power Gauge Works. Video number 3, A New Way of Using the Power Gauge to Potentially Double, Triple or Quadruple Your Money in 2023. Who is Marc Chaikin? CNBC's Mad Money host, Jim Cramer, once said, "I learned a long time ago not to be on the other side of a Chaikin trade." Marc Chaikin spent 50 years on Wall Street, surviving 10 bear markets. He is especially recognized for creating the accumulation/distribution line indicator, ADL. The two major indicators associated with it are the Chaikin oscillator and the Chaikin money flow indicators that are used on Wall Street for predicting a stock's price action. He is the man who created 3 new indices for the Nasdaq. After his work on Wall Street, he launched his own firm called Chaikin Analytics. Check their website for additional info of their work, including Chaikin Analytics Power Gauge Report is a monthly newsletter that gives information about Marc's #1 mid or large cap stock recommendation for the month. It usually has the potential to make you 3 to 5 times your investment. Subscribers have access to constantly updated model portfolio with top 5 stocks to invest. Power Gauge Investor is another newsletter, edited by Marc Chaikin. It provides analyses of large number of U.S. stocks, using the Power Gauge system. The team will pick #1 stock recommendation from the top stocks uncovered each month. Usually, it is a small cap stock with high potential gain. Subscribers have access to a constantly updated portfolio with other stocks. A new way of using Marc Chaikin's Power Gauge. On November 15, Marc will demonstrate a new feature of the Power Gauge for profitable investment opportunities. Now through November 15, people who sign up for the event receive free access to the Power Gauge system. You can type in any of the 5,000 tickers to see where the stock will most likely go next. Keep an eye on the neutral ratings. You will learn why on November 15 at 10 a.m. should you attend Marc Chaikin's Prediction 2023 event. Marc won 2019 Best Industry Research Provider Award from WealthManagement.com. He predicted a black swan crash years before COVID-19. He knew that the melt-up would continue after the 2020 crash. He is regular guest on CNBC's Mad Money with Jim Cramer. Marc believes this will be his biggest new prediction of his 50-year career on Wall Street. By enrolling as a VIP, you will receive instantly 3 stocks to plug into the Power Gauge. Hurry up, your free access to Power Gauge system will expire on November 15. Checklist for Marc Chaikin's Prediction 2023 event. Here is a list how to prepare to get the most out of this event. Be there 10 minutes early on Tuesday, November 15 to test your internet connection and sound. The event will start at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Have paper and pencil because Marc will give out valuable information. Free recommendation where to move your money right now. Free recommendation of the #1 popular stock to avoid. Details of a new type of investment vehicle 50 years in the making. Hope to see you there. Disclaimer: there is no offer to sell, no solicitation of an offer to buy, and no recommendation of any security or any other product or service in this article. Moreover, nothing contained in this PR should be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any investment or security, or to engage in any investment strategy or transaction. It is your responsibility to determine whether any investment strategy, security, or related transaction is appropriate for you based on your investment objectives, financial circumstances, and risk tolerance. Consult your business advisor, attorney, or tax advisor regarding your specific business, legal, or tax situation. Media details. Contact us, support@tradeinvestno.com. Phone number, 347-669-1180. Website, https://tradeinvestno.com/. Facebook, https://www.facebook.com/tradeandinvestments. Twitter, https://twitter.com/joshbro20595351.